Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about where you can put money in Revolut. Revolut is a great app for managing your money. It's easy to use, and it offers a variety of features that can help you save money and reach your financial goals. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Revolut? How to open a Revolut account. How to add money to your Revolut account. Where you can put money in Revolut. What are the benefits of using Revolut? I hope this video is helpful. What is Revolut? Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and insurance. Revolut is available in over 40 countries, and it has over 20 million users worldwide. How to open a Revolut account? Opening a Revolut account is easy. All you need to do is download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app installed, you can create an account by providing your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity. You can do this by providing a photo of your ID document, such as your driver's license or passport. Once your identity is verified, you can start using your Revolut account. How to add money to your Revolut account. There are a few different ways to add money to your Revolut account. You can add money using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. You can also add money using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Where you can put money in Revolut. You can put money in your Revolut account in a number of different places. Here are a few of the most popular options. Savings Vault. The Savings Vault is a great way to save money for a specific goal. You can set a target amount, and Revolut will automatically round up your transactions to the nearest pound. Pocket. Pockets are virtual wallets that you can use to organize your money. You can create pockets for different purposes, such as travel, bills, or groceries. Vaults. Vaults are similar to pockets, but they are more secure. Vaults are encrypted and can only be accessed by you. Stocks. You can invest in stocks through Revolut. Revolut offers a variety of stocks, including popular stocks like Apple, Amazon, and Google. Cryptocurrencies. You can also invest in cryptocurrencies through Revolut. Revolut offers a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. What are the benefits of using Revolut? There are a number of benefits to using Revolut. Here are a few of the most popular benefits. Free international transfers. You can send and receive money internationally for free. Low fees. Revolut offers low fees for most of its services. Easy to use. Revolut is easy to use, even for people who are not tech savvy. Secure. Revolut is a secure platform that uses advanced security measures to protect your data. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of where you can put money in Revolut. Revolut is a great app for managing your money, and it offers a variety of features that can help you save money and reach your financial goals. If you are looking for a safe and convenient way to manage your money, I highly recommend Revolut. If you are interested in learning more about Revolut, please visit the Revolut website or download the Revolut app. Thank you for watching.